Oh. There we go. Press the wrong button. Alright. We at my mom's work. And ring the doorbell already. You see me pressing the button for the door. Hey!
Hey, kiddo! How's it going?
It's going good.
Awesome.
Hey guys! Let's see, is it running? No. A lot of stuff going on.
Yeah, we were very busy today. You want to do a rinse on the top and bottom?
Yeah.
Alright, do your rinse while you're on top and bottom.
Hey, Miss Timpany. Good. Oh man.
Make sure it's empty. You can look through the door, it'll be okay.
I heard it. The fan stops, aren't you? Oh. I pressed the wrong button.
Well, you can fix it.
There we go. There it goes. I heard it. Working.
Awesome. What have you been doing today? Did you just wake up?
Yeah, just been waking up. Hey, Erica!
Hey, Wayne, how you doing?
I like your dishwasher.
What was that?
Is it going on right now?
Yes, I got a lot of things.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a ton of stuff.
Yep. Something else needed to be washed?
Yeah, I got a ton of stuff to wash.
Yep. Yep. This is Erica. I'm just taking the video. We are YouTube famous, aren't you?
How was your day today?
Yep.
Everything all right today?
The day is going, yep. Going good.
That's good.
You hear that dishwasher kicking in? Yeah. Oh man, I remember that noise that it makes. It's the water, isn't it? Yep. Yep. These are the power switch. Is that the power on and off right there? Oh, okay. Especially like if I wanted to service it, I have to switch it to the off position. Yep. 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 Erica, you remember me.
I do.
You always like to be my help with your things, aren't you? Yeah. Do you miss me a lot?
Of course. Not so long since you
Yeah. Once you come talk to my mom to tell you that we did a great job helping with your dishwasher system. Yep. Every time my mom likes to be my help with your things. Is that clean right there? Alright. Yep. Yep. So happy, Erica, that you helped me with your things.
Well, thank you so much for your help.
You are welcome.
It's a pleasure.
Yep.
It's hot, baby. It's not hot. Don't put it in there.
Yep. We have to be real careful. Mommy, Erica is helping me.
Okay. You're doing it with one hand, huh?
Yep. Especially with me holding the camera, aren't you, Mommy? Yep. Wow, wow, look at all of that steaming. Look at that steam. Yep. 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 There we go. Almost just about done. Almost. Makes me happy that you show me how to work things, don't you? Alright. And over there, here's all the controls. Pre-wash, final rinse, power it on. So, yeah. Start button to cancel, power off, all kinds of stuff. But I know how that works, aren't you? It's at Hobart. It's at Hobart. Mommy, you see me helping me?
Yes, it is. Now let's go down there.
Almost. Well, we almost just about be halfway through, aren't you? Yep. So, Erica, what you been up to doing? And Miss Timpany, what you been up to? Miss Timpany, you see me helping? Yep. Yep.
Alright, William, one more and then you're done. I'm gonna sign waiting on you.
There you go.
Yeah.
Alright, come on, kiddo.
Alright.
You said Miss Erica.
Erica, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh my god, there's some steaming on the camera.
Yeah, there is some steam, huh? Come on, bring your help, William.
Ice machine once again. I think the compressor may be starting. Oh, I heard it! I heard it, Mommy!
Okay.
Hey, Mommy. Mommy, can I wait for the compressor to kick in?
Alright.
Here it goes, it's working. Miss Tiffany, I'm ready.
Got it ready?
I finally got the compressor to kick on.
Alright.
Miss Tiffany. Mommy, I heard it.
You did.
Mommy, I heard it. I told you. very happy I got the main compressor kick on. Oh man, I'm very happy to hear that. Oh, and the fan just kicked back on. So, Mommy,
Time to go.
are you happy about that? Did a fan kick on?
Did cat scratch you in the face again?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, Mommy, do you need to watch the fan because the fan made me. He told me.
Say goodbye and thank you.
Goodbye. Thank you. Hey, Mommy, are you very happy? I got the ice machine to kick in.
Yes, very happy.
Oh man, finally got the ice machine.
Okay, I'll see you when I get home, okay?
I finally made it, Mommy.
I know.
You got
Love
it?
you.
Do you like that?
I do. Bye, sweetie bear.
Bye.